It's the fourth day counting, but the movement is showing no signs of slowing down. Indians from across the country are coming onto the streets demanding just one thing, that the government give in to the people's demands, that the Jan Lokpal bill be passed.
I would like to raise a question to my Honorable Prime Minister. Mr. Prime Minister, for 2G scam, you said I was not aware. For S-band scam, you said I was not aware. For CWG scam, you said I was not aware. And for every scam, you say I am not aware. And now you want us to believe that you would bring in this bill. Now we want, now or never. This Jan Lokpal bill should be introduced now.
Well, I've been new to India. I've been abroad all this while, and you won't believe, even to get a gas connection, a cylinder, I had to run from pillar to post. I do not have a ration card, which I'm an Indian passport holder, and I don't have any rights which every Indian should. And everywhere they ask for money, money, money. This is corruption from the bottom. Please do something, and I support this cause to the fullest, and I've left all my work, my children, and I've come here only to support the cause.
It is very essential that people here in India get involved. Of course, ours is a very tolerant society, but the people are great. And once they're woken up to a certain issue, they will not leave it. I have faith in the people.
The best way that we can support Anna Hazare in Chennai is to do it during this election, next election. Elect independents from every constituency. Select the best independent who is uncorrupt, who is clean. And if we elect independent from every constituency, we can remove the politicians, party politicians from our governance. They will join together and govern us, not as governing party and opposing party. And
Fighting corruption is very difficult because he is like a god. He permits everywhere. It's omnipotent, it's omnipresent, it's omniscient. So we need to have something different strategy to eradicate the corruption.
We are plagued by situations that should be a little more transparent and clear. And I always maintain that it's not important only to speak with authority. And it's not only important, just to question the authority. It is important to show your authority, and I think this is the most peaceful and wonderful way to show authority of the public. We all support the fact that there should be no corruption, yes?
Definitely support Anna Jhangi, because I think most celebrities, and as an Indian, I would like to fight against corruption, and India is very corrupted.
We salute Anna Hazare because he represents the voice of the people who are absolutely fed up with the amount of corruption that's gone on unchecked for so long. The problem is that the pleasure and the profit of corruption is immediate, and the penalties and the punishment for corruption is almost non-existent.
A very revolutionary ghazal which actually encapsulates all what's happening as of now. Darbar watan mein phir ek din sab jaane wale jayenge kuch apni saza ko pahunchenge kuch apni jaza ले जाएंगे